What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, we're creating a sketch portrait illustration of the Renegade Raider from Fortnite OG. Let's begin today's lesson by setting up our drawing with some guidelines. We're going to start by sketching a line coming down the center of our page. Let's start from the very top in the middle. Just going to lightly work our way down towards the bottom. Now along the top, let's add another line going across from left to right. Now we want to use these lines to help us create a circle along the top of our page. So from that center point, let's step up, mark off the top of our circle. Now I want to measure that same distance from the center down towards the bottom. And then we'll repeat that across this horizontal line. So measuring the distance from the center over towards the left, and then the right side. Let's connect the center point of each mark with a curve to create our circle. So we're going to start with the top left. And we're just going to rough this in. The circle doesn't have to be perfect, because we'll eventually erase this out. We just want to get the right size and placement along the top of our page. Now let's add another guideline coming down the side of our circle. Starting on the left, come straight down. And we'll add another guideline going across the bottom of our circle. Now we're going to roughly sketch in the basic shape of the head and add in the details. Let's start by adding a gap in between the eyes. So from that center line, let's move over towards the left. Sketch a line coming up towards the top. Now I'm just going to extend that down towards the bottom. Let's take that same distance from the center and do the same thing on the right. Going up and then down. From that inside point, let's angle the eyes. Going up and out with a short line. And then go up in an angle and out towards the side. Now halfway along this line, I'm just going to curve the bottom of the eye, coming down and then in towards that bottom line. From this point in the eye, we're going to step in towards that line, angle the eyebrow, going up and then out towards the side of our circle. Now from the center, let's move down, just mark off the bottom of the nose with a straight line. And then from that center point, just going to angle this up and out towards the side, like a V. From the tip of the nose, let's step down again, draw a straight line going across the mouth. From this line, step down, draw a short line going across the lower lip. Step all the way down towards the chin and draw another line. Now I'm going to go to the outside of the eyes. I'm going to slope the head, coming down and in towards the jaw, towards that mouth line. Angle this down and then in towards the chin. Now halfway between the center of a circle and that eye line, draw a straight line going across. And then directly above the left eye, I'm just going to round out the head and come down towards the jaw. Let's extend this line coming all the way down towards the bottom. And do the same thing on the right, going around the eye, going across the jaw, and then down. Now let's add the basic shape of the goggles. We're going to start from the center of our circle. It's going to angle this down towards this point. Down and out, and do the same thing on the right. From here, it's going to angle this up and out towards the side of the goggles. And then we're going to angle this back up and then in towards that center line. Let's add some more detail to the goggles. Along the top, we're going to leave a gap, step over towards the left, angle this down and in towards the center, go up towards the right. Now halfway along the inside, it's going to angle this down towards the bottom of the goggle. Now I want to add a thick bevel along the outside of the goggle. From this point, I'm just going to slope this out, just past the side, and then pull that back down and then in towards the side of the head. Now I'm just going to trace the side, going up toward the top, and just carry this back in towards the inside. Let's add that trim along the top. Start with two straight lines coming down. Now you want to trace the bottom of the goggle along the bottom. We're going to step down, angle this down and out on both sides. And we'll sweep the hair over towards the right. Starting from the center, come down and over towards the right eye. Step across toward the left, add another one. Let's add one more on the right. Now I'm going to draw those flaps along the side of the head, starting from the bottom of the goggle, straight down, and then bend that out, round at the bottom, and then pull that in. Now that we have a rough sketch, I want to go back and clean this up by erasing our guidelines. Okay, so now that we have our clean, rough sketch, we're going to go ahead and start adding some more detail and refining the shape. Now I want to start along the top with the goggles. We're going to start with the frame first. Starting along the top edge. Just work our way along the inside towards the bottom. I'm just going to come down across the bottom of the bevel towards the outside. I'm just going to add a thick trim along the outside of the goggle, coming in on the inside. And you want to inset the edge of the glasses, coming in. I'm just going to smooth out that pad in the center. Now just layering the hair across, just adding some thickness. And go in and start adding some shape to the eyes. Thicken up the eyelash. I'm just going to add those markings across the face, starting along the top in between the eyes. We just want to lightly shade that in. Then we'll work across the top of the nose. We'll give this a slight bend around the cheeks. Add some thickness. Then again, just lightly shading that in. That stripe across the lip, coming down towards the chin. I'm just going to add some trim detail around the headpiece. Now I want to go back and just clean up our drawing one final time before we add some more detail and shading. And now we're going to go in with the final pass and add the detail and refine the shape. I'm going to start with the hair, just adding some texture along the inside. Just darkening that up. So darken up the tips of the hair and across the top, across the base. Just working my way across towards the right. also adding some contrast. Now I'm just going to darken up the markings and just feather them out across the side. I'm just going to add a little bit of detail across the neck and shoulders. And now I'm going to go in with the flat edge of my pencil and start adding some shadows. We start underneath the brow, just above the eyes. Shade this in. I'm just going to fade that down across the side. I'm just going to work our way across the side of the nose bridge. Add a little bit of shadow across the bottom of the nose. And then the nose is going to cast a shadow coming down towards the mouth. Let's darken up that tone across the bottom of the goggles. I'm just going to add a little bit of reflection inside the goggle. Now we're just going to enhance the shape of the head by adding a shadow across the jaw and the chin. And we just want to fade that up to give it a little bit of roundness. Now as we get closer to the end, we're just going to tighten up our shadows and add a little bit more detail, and always be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of the Renegade Raider from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.